Welcome everyone to Jacob's Jewels. Today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate um, your gold. Okay, so when you want to find out how much gold go on a grill, okay, you need to make sure that you get of course, your wax and your sprue. Weighed, weigh them together. Okay, this is just an example. Weigh them together. Get your wax and your sprue. Let's see. Weigh them together. This is not a real good wax. I'm just trying to give you an example. So this is 24 karat gold and this is alloyed. In order to make 10K, 14K, 18K, you need alloy. Okay, silver, platinum, all that stuff, you need alloyed in order to make it. So let's turn this on. And if you got time, this is the correct chart. Write this down, please. Write this down. Because when I went to school, I didn't get this chart. They did not share this with me. Shame on them. But anyhow, so we want to make sure this is on grams. Let's go ahead and weigh it. 0.30. And I have that there. Okay? We're gonna do 14 karat gold for this piece. So we're gonna times it by this number. Okay? And when we times it by this number, we get this number, correct? Okay. Now, we're gonna round it up to 4.1. We want to make sure we have enough gold to go on here. So I rounded it up to 4.1. Okay. Now, what we need to do, don't look at this number down here. Okay. What we need to do is go to this right here, this website, United Precious Metal Refining. This tells you how much alloyed and how much gold goes on your grill. So we want to get 4.1. Okay, we want to get 4.1 on there, and we want to get enough gold to cover this. Okay, so 1 gram gives us a result of 1.72. That ain't enough gold. 1 gram of 24 karat gold gives us a result of 1.2. Let's try. And it's 14K. Now we're turning it to 14K. If you want to turn it to 10K, then you go to 10K. If you want to turn it to 9K, 8K, whatever, then that's what you do. But we're going to do 14 karat gold. Okay. Now we're going to put, we want, I'm going to say 6 grams. 6 grams of 24 karat gold. Okay. And we want to make it to 14 gold. Let's see how much that gives us. Oh, wow. That gives us 10.29. That is a lot of gold. That is too much for this little bitty old piece. So let's go down. Let's do 3 grams of 24 karat gold to equal 14K. 5.1 gram. Way too much. So let's go down to 2.5. 2.5. Calculate. 2.5. Let's go down to 2 grams. 2 grams. We need a little bit more. We're almost there. 2 grams. Let's do 2.3. Calculate. Almost there. 2.5. Calculate. That's a little bit too much. So let's do 2.4. 2.4 gets us there. 2.4 gets us there. So we need, this is what we need, y'all. Okay. We need 2.4 grams of 24 karat gold. Okay. So let me turn on my scale so y'all can see this. So we need 2.4 grams. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, let's see. Let's add this. We're just going to pretend. Okay, that's way too much. So let's pretend that this let's pretend that this is at least 2.40 grams, okay? We're just pretending. Remember, we're pretending that this is 2.4 grams. If it's not, you need to add some more 24 karat gold to it, okay? So you will buy 3 grams of gold because you're just going to buy it. You want to have extra, okay? So you will buy 3 grams of 24 karat fine gold. Okay, very important. Next, you want 1.72 of alloyed mix. So let's take this off. We remember this is 2.40. Now we want 1.72. Now this is way too much. Let me get some more alloyed. So this stuff is so chunky, I might have to cut it. 2.1. This is when these scissors come in handy. Or I got a whole bag of it. Let me try to find a small piece. Not that I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, there's a small piece. It's not enough, but let's pretend. Okay, let's pretend that is 1.72. Okay, let's pretend that's 1.72. So we got our 1.72, and we got our 2.40. We melt this down together, and that goes on here. We melt that down, and then we cast it in the spinning machine or in your hot surface furnace, and that goes on that grill. That's how much you determine what goes on the grill. Okay, and if you have any questions, just please feel free to reach out to me. You can rewind this video over and over and over again. Please write this down because you're going to need it. Please go in and play around with this because you're going to need it. Okay, and you're going to need it. So please, the calculator. Have a beautiful and blessed day.